Good morning, Foray. I hope everyone's doing well this fine morning. I hope everyone had a good, restful night's sleep and ready to learn today again. It's a Wednesday, the 24th of June, and we have a bit of a busy day ahead. Anyway, so let's start with it. Your first lesson today, guys, will be maths. Again, it's a revision lesson, so no video lesson, and you will be working on the word problems and which will be involving multiplication and division again. Then your second lesson will be science. Guys, in science, there will be a quiz for you to take from science. You will test yourself on quizzes. I will share the link and I will share the code. I uploaded a PowerPoint presentation on my learning, but the code is wrong. It's actually for Mr. Willem's class, so I will share my own link with you in the second lesson. So please don't do the quizzes from the My Learning link, please, from My Learning PowerPoint presentation. All right, then your third lesson will be your favorite lesson. It's ICT lesson again, and we are working on Scratch. This time you are going to actually program a game, and I really do recommend that you watch my video because even from the tutorial, I could not understand a couple of things, and I am actually showing them in the video. So if you want to be 100% sure you're doing the right thing, do it. Watch my video. And also, you will be designing a game, and you can choose your own background, you can choose your own characters. Okay, you don't have to stick to the original one that I'm doing in the video. All right, your fourth lesson will be art as usual, and fifth lesson is PSE with me. Those who don't have it will have other subjects. We will in PSE we will be talking about compromise. So, guys, those who take PSE, please do look this word up. What does it mean to compromise? So you will be kind of ready for this lesson. And the last lesson is English writing. So we've been talking about biographies a lot. And in this lesson, you will just start planning your writing. Basically, you will have a week to write a proper biography, guys. Please watch Miss Shireen's video with this lesson, it's very important. You will have a week to submit your biography. So that means if the first lesson is tomorrow, that means it has to be there by Wednesday next week. But of course, do it as soon as possible so I don't have to chase you for it, and not only chase you, but just to make sure you get it out of the way so you don't have to worry about it later on, okay? All right, perfect. So, yeah, so that's it. Basically, your submission for tomorrow is ICT as your Scratch video. And as I said, for the writing biography, use both lessons and you have a week to submit a good biography. You can choose any person you want to write it about. It's up to you. Just follow those checklists included because you know me, if I check it and those things are missing, I will send it back, okay? All right, so what time we will meet? As you can see, guys, I'm wearing blue. We've already had blue day. As I said, I've run out of all the colors and ideas, so if you have an idea, let me know for maybe tomorrow's meeting. But in today's meeting, you can dress whatever you want. And our last lesson together is the actual last lesson of today, which is English writing, the sixth period. So that's when we meet. We meet at 1:25, guys. Okay, don't forget to be on time. All right, guys. The riddle for yesterday was I am a three-digit number. Okay. The second digit, so the digit in the middle, is 4 times bigger than the third digit. My first digit is 3 less than my second digit. What number am I? So guys, the number, the only, and actually this only had one possible answer, and this answer was 141. Some of you wrote different numbers, and as I said, thank you so much for trying to think about it and trying to work it out. So even if you got it wrong, that's absolutely fine. But it's 141 only. Um, why, guys? Because if the number in the middle is 4 times the third number, that means it has to be the third number multiplied by 4. You will get the middle number, okay? So 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, and then the first number is 3 less. So 4 minus 3 is 1, okay? So those guys who answered, for example, 285 can't be, 5 is not, 8 is not 4 times 5. Also, some of you answered 582. Oh no, actually, yes, this is correct. Excellent. Actually, I am so sorry. There is another answer indeed. 582, because 2 times 4 is 8, and then the first digit is 3 less, so 8 minus 3 is 5. So 582 is also, so two answers, I'm sorry. 141 or 582. Then someone said 194 can be because 4 times 4 is not 9. Anahita 582. Then we had 441. No, that's 441. 4 is not 3 less than 4. 485 cannot be because 5 is not 4 times less than 8, and 5 times 4 is not 8. 382, yes, 141, most of you, or 582. Those were the numbers that you said. Okay, guys, your riddle for today is, if there are 3 apples and you take away 2, how many do you have? Once again, if there are 3 apples and you take away 2, how many apples will you have? Please leave your comment below. And time for our daily quote. I know I always say, like, every time I'm about to say a quote, that it's my favorite one, but honestly, all the quotes that I say to you guys, I carefully select and I love all of them. So this one says, the more you give away, the happier you become. So, guys, how we're usually really happy if we get something or we receive something like a gift or money. However, I think it's much better feeling if you give away. Why? Because by giving to other people, okay, you will make them happy. And the fact, knowing that you made someone happy by giving something to them, is a much better feeling than just getting something yourself, okay? So honestly, in life, the more you give away, the more you give to people, you will realize you will be happier that way by giving to people and making them happy, doing good deeds. All right, so that's my thought for the day, and I will see you at 1:25. Have a great day.